In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, whether you prefer working from a list view or inside the task itself. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, you might land on an area like Home or Inbox, but for assigning tasks, you'll want to head to where your work actually lives. Think of this as your project's home base, where spaces, folders, and lists organize everything. If you already know the list your task is in, open it from the left sidebar. If you're not sure, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the task by name. Now, go to your tasks or lists. In the list view, you'll see your tasks displayed in rows with helpful columns. Locate the task you want to assign. When you hover over the task row, look toward the right-hand side. Next to the trash or delete icon, there's an assign icon or assignee field. Click that. A small picker will appear where you can search and select the person who should own the task. Choose the teammate's name, and you'll see their avatar or initials appear on the task. That visual confirmation means the assignment is set. If you need to change it later, click the same spot to reassign or clear the current assignee. If your workspace allows multiple assignees, you can select more than one person here, but keep your process clear so everyone knows who's responsible. If you prefer a more detailed view, you can also open the task and assign it from inside. Click the task name to open the task panel. At the top of the task, you'll see the assignee area in the header. Click it, search for the right person, and select them. This method is great if you're reviewing the task details, like the description, attachments, or comments, and want to confirm everything while assigning. You'll get the same visual confirmation once the assignee is set. A quick recap to lock it in. Open ClickUp. Navigate to your tasks or lists and assign directly from the list using the icon near the trash bin. Or open the task and assign it from the header inside. Use search if you can't find a task quickly, and double check that you have permission to assign in that space. That's all you need to confidently assign a task in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!